Welcome at the Battery Show 2026 here at the LMI booth in Stuttgart. My name is Edwin Popp. I'm the Global Account Manager here at LMI, and I would like to show you our line confocal scanner. Here we're scanning a prismatic battery, especially the terminal. If you're asking yourself what is a line confocal scanner, it's actually a line scanner but with a different technology compared to triangulation. The key points are high resolution, very clean data on shiny surfaces, and that's what we are having here as well. We have the terminal, which is a high glossy surface, and with this scanner you can scan the full terminal. You can concentrate on a particular area and really look for very tiny small defects, which we are also showing here in our 3D scan right away. Scratches, damages, particles, anything what can be here. But the key point is not only the high resolution and the ability of scanning glossy surfaces, it is also the ability of scanning transparent surfaces. In particular, on this cell, you see in the middle, there is this safety valve. This is covered with a transparent foil. So in this case, we are also able to scan this transparent foil. We can inspect if there are damages on the foil, and besides that also in a second layer to inspect the cover itself of the safety valve. So to really highlight what the capabilities of our Gocator 5512 are, I will showcase you a bit different example. It's a sample of our goodies what we have here at the trade show. That's a carton and it's wrapped with transparent foil. And what you see here we are scanning right now, first this wavy area or this wavy surface, this is actually the foil what we can see. But below we can also see right away the printed carton what's on the bottom. So you can actually read what's below the foil. In one scan you will get two different data sets. Transparent glue, transparent paint, anything like this you can actually inspect with the system. So you have both layers or even 3-4 layers which you can scan and inspect for defects or you can do measurements on that. We're happy to discuss with you your samples, your applications. Welcome guys to the second day of the battery show here in Stuttgart. Today I would like to show you our second demo with a multi-sensor setup. We have here our Gocator 2520. It's a line scanner, so we're scanning the top of those cells and measuring the height, so it's a 3D measurement. And besides that you see our Gocator 2D smart camera, which gets triggered by the Gocator, and here we are looking at the side of the battery cell and reading the OCR. You may ask yourself why we're actually combining those two systems together. The reason is, in some applications you will need a 3D inspection combined with a 2D inspection. With our systems we can combine this, and we are still using just one software. This is our GoPixel software, where we actually integrate 3D scanners with our 2D smart cam and having a full solution with two technologies. Our next valuable feature is our GoHMI software. What does it mean? You have the GoPixel where you can see everything on it, but sometimes on your shop floor you just need special values, some buttons or maybe just a graph or a trend. And with our GoHMI you're able to customize it for your needs, for your shop floor and for your application. If you couldn't make it to the show, don't worry, you can always reach out to us. We're happy to help you with your samples, applications and anything what you need to solve.